Hi to all of you. Hopefully you guys are doing well. Are you tired of blowing accounts on Deriv trading? Then forget. This is our newly designed tool which is going to help you to give signal buy and sell arrow, and you just need to open a trade with 1 minute duration on the rise fall. Check it out guys. We received the signal which is showing the buy direction, and now it's time to open a trade. We took a trade, as I explained, with 1 minute duration only, and the trade is executed right in front of you. I took the trade with $500 and now waiting for the results, as we took this trade only for 1 minute. Based on the arrow which is appeared, is showing the strength of buy. This is special indicator based system which is for only rise and fall trading on Deriv official website. Here you guys can see the contract which is right in front of you, but is just 30 seconds left to close the contract. Let's see what the results are using this system. Here the candle is bullish. We are waiting for the results. Only few seconds left to close our trade, and the trade is already in our favor and we are in profit. Here's the power of this system. You just need to get this, and here you guys can see the trade is closed in profit. Wow, so happy to have this profit. Now let's move and wait for some more trades, and then we will take. And here you guys can see we won this trade. Now let's wait for another signal, and then we are going to open our trade and show you live how actually the system works, how we get the signals, how we trade on rise fall and make some quick money within 1 minute. Yep. Let's wait for a signal, and once the signal appears, we are going to open our trade again and show you how actually it works. Let's scroll and let's see. We got the signal. We are going to open our trade again in front of you with $500 standard lot, which is on rise and fall. Here you guys can see. I'm just waiting for another signal. Once it appears, now the time is wait. Just wait and relax for a signal. Once it pop up, we will go for another trade. This is very reliable and powerful system. How to trade? Simple. Once an arrow appear on your chart on MT5, okay, don't take trade. Wait for the candle to close. Once the candle close, go for buy. Here you guys can see a buy signal has appeared. We will wait. Once this candle closed, on next candle we are going to place our buy trade with $500. Let's see what we get from market. On next candle, we are going to open our trade. Look here, they're already showing the strength that market is going to give us a bullish candle. So we are not in a hurry, just wait for about to close. Once this candle about to close, we will go for another trade. As we get the signal of a buy, as you guys can see on screen live here, we will go for rise. Of course, we get the buy signal because system just sent us a buy signal, and we are going for rise with $500. You can choose any lot size. Make some money guys, kill this poverty and come out of this crisis. Look here guys, we took the trade with $500, and look here, as signal is appeared, buy, we took the trade. Keep watching and see what come out of this. Our trade duration is 1 minute always, okay? Always just buy for 1 minute duration only. Follow the signal, don't worry. You will make awesome cash guys. You just need to follow instructions. Once the signal appear, wait for the candle to close. Once the candle close, on next candle go for trade, as we are doing here. Look here, we took the buy trade. Couple of seconds left to close our trade, and the trade bullish, we go for rise, and the trade is in profit. Here it's closed. Wow, another winning. So this is the system guys, how actually it works. It's so powerful, so simple, so reliable. You just need to have this system, follow the arrow, follow instructions, make daily basis trades using this system, and that's all. You will make daily basis 1 to 10%. You want to make more money, then follow it and make much you want. Very simple, very powerful, and very reliable tool. It's very easy. You guys can see we won this, and this is how actually it gives signal and we make money. This is only for rise and fall 1 minute. Thanks for watching, guys.